Welcome. In this video, I will show you some examples of the final outcomes that we will develop for our e-learning project. Identifying these examples is expected to support us in making the expectation clear and give us a benchmark to follow. The first example is a video example. In this example, the faculty explains the topic in a video. The faculty is embedded in the video.
Preparation is the key to sales success. That's why before you start making your sales calls, you should do some homework. First, you need to research your client, their social networks, company website, and other information.
Appropriate animation and visual components appearing in the background. Most MOOC courses, such as Coursera, are using this format. Having the presenter in the video when needed helps building connections between the learner and the topic. The second example is a screencasting video.
By the end of this learning object, you'll be able to understand the importance of the sequence of instruction in producing the correct solution.
This type of learning object is more suitable for demonstrating a software or process. This example includes quizzes at the beginning and at the end of the learning object.
And in this second video, we want to get you a little bit more familiar. We're going to add to these commands. I'm going to teach.
Interactive scenarios is our third example. In this example, the student is presented with a business case and asked to take an action.
Meet John Richardson. This morning, he checked the balance on his credit card, and it was $50 less than he expected. Mr. Richardson suspected fraud. He contacted customer support as soon as possible.
Hello?
Good morning, sir. This is Mary from customer support. How can I help you?
Yes, good morning. I want to cancel the last transaction on my credit card. Someone has stolen my money.
Thank you for contacting us. When did you notice that some money was missing?
Good, you've comforted the client and asked the right question.
Feedback is given instantly. The next step will depend on the action that the student has taken in the previous step. This type of learning object is good for many type of business and management courses. The next example is familiar. It is more like a PowerPoint with voiceover. So it is slide with a voiceover. But it has more than just being a slide and voiceover. It can include videos and interactivity.
What is the Space Shuttle program? The main idea of the Space Shuttle program, aka Space Transportation System, was to launch a reusable space shuttle that usually carried astronauts and payload into low Earth orbit. Early history of the program. In 1969,
this can be useful for tutorials and step-by-step process that you would like to take your student through. So you can give them instructions and they follow. Simulation is another important aspect. So in this type of learning object, we will mimic a science lab. So the student can perform an experiment, change parameters, draw a graph or chart, and see the result, which is really useful to build the student skills and knowledge and make them apply this knowledge to solve certain problems. The last example we'll talk about is the ebook. This format produces an ebook that is suitable for reading on mobile devices. All the above learning objects that we discussed are SCORM compliance. What does that mean? It means the answers and interactivity of the student are recorded in the learning management system, which in this case Blackboard, Moodle, and many of them, and can be included in the grade center, so you can use it to evaluate students and see their performance. In the next video, we will discuss the process of creating these learning objects. Thank you for listening.